Sunday. Gotta change that thing up there. Sunday, Laura's second dose of vaccination. So we gotta go. She's doing her second dose now. Yep. Yeah, now Laura's trying to get her vaccination done, and I'm here in the car eating croissant, ham and croissant, and also coffee. So I'm just waiting for her. I don't want to go out because yeah, we're still on lockdown now, and I hope things will be better. They're not better at the moment, but yeah, just gotta wait for it. Anyway, I'm just gonna eat now. I'm back here in Frankston, and check that out. So that was the thing that I've photographed. And yes, I'm in the parking lot. Yeah, I'm still waiting for Laura to finish. She's having her jab right now, and this thing is so dark. Yep, so dark. Yep. There she is. That's just fine. So yeah, we're here buying rice. Half price. Looking into stuffs again. Her name is Maria Laura. Yep. So the basics for today is some nut butters, lemon, orange, tidy bags, and rice. So she finally got it after a few days. Yep. Nag-yo-yo siya. Finally, we're heading home. We're heading home. I'm done with calls and everything. So, yep, here we go. Here we go. Finally, we're home now. Yeah, nothing spectacular at home. Just got some groceries, and you can hear Laura laughing. There she is. There she is.
Say hi. It's a hazard. So be careful. I like this orange and mandarin.
Oh, the eggs. Go back down. Have to go back down for the eggs. Yeah, get the eggs.
Oh, this is
Yeah, gotta get the eggs. Heading back up with the eggs. You know, it's a hard labor bringing all the groceries because the kitchen's upstairs. So yeah, got the eggs.
Gmail,
Got the eggs with me. Look at Laura.